èyí ni bọ́lọ́hún ṣe kó Alhaji Wasiu Ayinde K1 yọ nígbà tí pléènì kan fẹ́ múùfù l'Àbújá. Ọlọ́run ló yorí bàbá o, Ọlọ́run ní kí bàbá náà jákọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ń tà ń wí kọ́làbà máa wí o. Ewu náà kẹ̀yẹ́ pàwòdì àwòdì òkú ewu lẹ́yìn ìgbà tí àwọn àjọ tí wọ́n ń rí sí ọkọ̀ òfurufú tí wọ́n fẹ̀sùn kan Wasiu Ayinde pé ó gbógògóró wọnú pléènì tí yòó di fàǹfà. Ìyún ni wọ́n ń fà lọ́wọ́ tí pléènì kan fi gbéra gbà tí K1 ò sì mọ̀. Nígbà tí ó fi wẹ̀yìn báyìí ni bàbá yá adá sáré bẹ̀rẹ̀ kó tó di pé kíní ń bọ́ orí. Kọ́lọ́hún ó túbọ̀ máa kó gbogbo wa yọ ni. Ẹ kú kalẹ̀.
What is any full-grown adult doing with a flask full of alcohol wanting to board a flight? Because it was said that, of course, anybody who flies regularly knows that you are allowed a certain quantity of liquid. Even cough mixture, if you travel like from Heathrow, they tell you throw away your cough mixture, you can go and buy a smaller volume from booths within the airport. And it's a safety requirement. That is one. Two, once you submit yourself as a passenger to an airline, you must obey all instructions. How? Because I saw the video, how Wasiu, whatever his name is, got to the point of standing right in front of the plane, I honestly don't know. And that itself, that he got that far itself, is an indictment on the airline or the fan authorities. That is the problem we have. This so-called VIP thing is going to kill us as a country. He would never have done such a thing in Heathrow Airport or outside the country. We have this brazen thing about, do you know who I am? It was said by Fan that he even poured the contents of the flask on two officials of the airline. How could it ever come to that? VIPs, the so-called elite we have in this country, always find it very difficult to obey the simplest order. When you get to the airport, there's a tout or somebody running around. This law is not. When they tell you passengers only, oh, I'm a big man, it's not for us. We will not allow the elite bury this country. We are going to start against them.
Raphael Adegoke on Facebook says, I witnessed the whole scene yesterday while arriving from Abuja via Value Jet. I didn't even know it was Wasiu until someone mentioned his name. Wasiu was so aggressive in his approach yesterday. Why suspend the pilot? Wasiu held our plane hostage yesterday.
The pilot has to be suspended because if the video is anything to go by, like I said, she soared forward with Wasiu still on the tarmac. I would have thought that the better discretion, as far as I'm concerned, would be to switch off the engines and say that until he's evacuated from the place, it's not going to take off.
Yeah.
We would have had a serious situation on our hands.
Yes.
Very serious, even far beyond the kind of embarrassment we would face as a country.
Wait now, say you drunk, why you not wait?